In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to push your Base44 project repository to GitHub or download the production build zip and then get that project deployed on Netlify with a custom domain. We'll go through the process in a simple, practical way so you can get your site online without confusion. The goal here is to make sure your project is ready for deployment, connected properly to Netlify, and accessible through your own domain. Start by preparing your Base44 project. You have two options here. The first option is to push your project repository to GitHub. This is usually the best choice if you want a cleaner workflow, especially if you plan to make updates later. By keeping your project in GitHub, you can reconnect Netlify to the repository and let it rebuild the site whenever you publish changes. The second option is to download the production build zip. That option is helpful if you just want to deploy a finished version of the site quickly without setting up a repository connection. Once your project is ready, log into Netlify and choose Add New Site. At this point, you'll again have two paths. If your project is on GitHub, choose the Import via Git option and connect Netlify to the repository. If you downloaded the production build instead, you can simply drag and drop the build folder directly into the Netlify interface. That makes it a fast manual deployment. If you're importing through GitHub, the next part is important. Configure the build settings carefully. For the build command, enter npm run build, then set the publish directory to either dist or build, depending on how your Base44 project outputs the final production files. If you're not sure which folder your project uses, check the output created after the build process. Using the correct publish directory ensures Netlify serves the actual compiled site instead of the source files. After the deployment is complete, go to Domain Management in Netlify and select Add Custom Domain. Enter the domain you want to use for your site. Netlify will then provide the DNS information you need. The final step is updating your DNS records with your domain provider. Depending on how your domain is set up, you'll either add or update A records or a CNAME record so they point to Netlify's DNS values. This is what connects your custom domain to the site you just deployed. Keep in mind that DNS changes can take some time to fully propagate. So if the domain doesn't work right away, that's normal. Once propagation finishes, your Base44 project should be live on Netlify under your custom domain with a deployment setup that's easy to